Hello, I got a dryer here. The complaint is it's not spinning, so I'm gonna test it real quick. I got some theories, but I wanna go through them on film. So it is spinning right now. Let's try that again. See how it starts out real slow? I have anything. Mind you, it's it's empty. There's nothing in it. So when it's a load in there, it's not spinning, and I can tell that just by how slow it spins when it starts. Do that one more time. So I'm gonna check something. Always unplug first. I already know it's got 240 volts, so I'm not gonna go through that. It's kind of quick. On these newer dryers, it's like an energy efficient dryer, so it doesn't need to be vented, it vents itself. This right here is a capacitor. I'm not gonna touch it, they're charged. So that's what energizes the motor. So right now I'm gonna test the capacitor, the microfarads on there real quick. As a disclaimer, let me say, anybody who tries to do this, you want to de-energize the capacitor, which you have to have an electrical screwdriver, and all you have to do is this is a new that's a different one I got right here. These two terminals here, you just want to take the screwdriver and have them hit together. Can you see that? Make sure the metal touches. So it'll de-energize. And that'll de-energize that there. Hasn't been energized. This is brand new. That'll de-energize that, because what happens is it's energized just what it sounds like. You can get bit. You call that bit, that's an electrical term. You're gonna get shocked, hit, and it's not gonna be pretty. So I'm gonna test this real quick. Terminals off. De-energize. It don't take but a second. You just want to make sure it's hitting the metal on both terminals together at the same time. You gotta have a multimeter if you're gonna work on stuff like this. You have to. To test a capacitor, you want to go to the microfarads, which is this one right here. No, right there. The one I got it on. So I'm gonna test for that. I'm gonna leave that there so you can see it. Oh, first of all, the how many microfarads it should have, that's the term, is always stated on the capacitor, which this one is 8, and you have a plus or minus percentage of 5% of that 8. So it can be like 7 or so, or 9 or so, 5% above or below that. So let's check this real quick. You see that? We'll be testing that. It's a 2. Look like a 5, huh? Yeah, no, that's 2. So it's nowhere near strong enough. So I've been working on these types for a while, maybe about 5 years or so now. So I know exactly what to look for. This is just so if anybody's working on one and they don't know what to look for on that. So now I'm gonna test this newer one, and I'm gonna see what we get with it. You see that? Look closer. That's better. See, we at 7.8. So that's what we need. Fire it up, and it should be fine with a load in there. So I'm gonna put that on. And keep it moving. Again, we unplugged already. It's real simple. I actually already pulled off the cover on these. I only got to take the side piece off. See, I pulled it off and was having trouble with the belt. The belt's clearly attached, so that's not the issue. That wasn't the issue. So, only got 2 screws down here. Make sure you see that. I got 2 screws under here. Go to new. Other. Make sure you got a good connection. Always go to pull them off. I tug on them a little bit. You want to make sure you got a good connection. If you don't have a good connection, a lot of times when it goes to energize, that's when you get burnt wires and whatnot. So what I'm gonna do right now is this one's a little wiggly. They're just terminals. All you gotta do is tighten them up a little bit. Make sure you got the right tools and stuff. I go to Harbor Freight. They're not expensive at all. So it still ain't tight enough. I'm gonna take it off. Tighten it in a little bit. Much better. Okay. Plug it back up. Fire it up. See how I just started right up? Do that one more time. You see right there. When I hit this start button, it's not gonna be a slow roll like it was before. It's just gonna take off. See that? Just want to share a little bit of information this morning. Y'all have a good one. Peace.